Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to enable notification tones for private chats in the Telegram app on your PC. If you've noticed that your messages arrive silently or without sound, don't worry. This new update makes it simple to fix. Let's go through the steps together so you never miss an important message again. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account before we begin. Once the app opens, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 short lines stacked on top of each other. This is the main menu button. Click on it to open the side menu. From here, scroll down a little and select Settings. This will take you to a new window where you can control how Telegram behaves on your PC. Inside Settings, click on Notifications and Sounds. This is the place where you can manage all your sound alerts, message tones, and notification preferences. Next, look for the section labeled Private Chats. This area controls the alerts for one-on-one messages you receive from your contacts. Go ahead and click on Private Chats to open its settings. Now, to enable notification tones, simply find the option that says Notifications Tone and switch it on. Once it's enabled, you'll start hearing a sound each time you receive a private message. You can also explore additional options here, such as adjusting message previews, vibration alerts, and sound types. These settings let you personalize how Telegram notifies you so you can make it fit your style and preferences perfectly. Once you've made your changes, you can close the settings window. That's it. You've successfully enabled the notification tone for private chats on Telegram for PC.